Meat grinder is an essential kitchen appliance. After getting your perfect meat grinder, the very next thing comes up your mind. How can I operate it? No worries. Follow us to learn. Before using a meat grinder, the very first thing you need to do is assembling. You can assemble your meat grinder in the following ways. 1. Sanitation and safety come first. Wash all the small parts and dry up before using. Make sure that you have disconnected the power cord from electric socket. 2. You need to attach T-tank first. Afterwards, set the pushing bar inside the T-tank. Tighten these small parts with appropriate screw and locking system. 3. You need to attach the blade with the pushing bar. 4. Set the required sized plate at the very last of the pushing bar and attach handle cap. 5. Finally, you need to set the hopper on the top of the meat grinder. After assembling is done, next thing is operation. Cut the meats into 3 to 5 cm pieces. After you have cut the meat into small pieces, wrap with something appropriate and put into freezer for 30 minutes. Put the small parts such as plates and blades etc. in the refrigerator as well. After completing freezing, assemble the machine as per instruction. Next, you need to put the sliced frozen meat on the hopper with garlic and other ingredients if necessary. Make sure that the receiving bowl was also put in the refrigerator before using. After you have set everything, turn on the meat grinder. You can use the meat pusher to push the meat into the hopper. After you have done with your grinding, make sure that you have cleaned and stored the machine properly. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. To read the full article, please visit our website. You can find the link in the description. Thank you. Have a good day.